What I do want to share with you, and this in my opinion is probably something that you will get the most value from, is get yourself in front of a blank target without anything on it. And if you can take the sight off, even better. Get yourself to draw the bow and focus on your posture. As soon as you start aiming, your subconscious takes over and you focus on aiming, and then you want to hit the bullseye. And then you're not concentrating on good posture and good shooting form. So we call it blind shooting. So when you are standing in front of a bale, you can actually end up drawing the bow, focus on relaxing your hand, your shoulder down, standing nice and upright. And if you need to, close your eyes and then just focus on squeezing the trigger itself. And obviously make sure that you are standing close enough to the target that you don't miss the target. But blank bale blind shooting, in my opinion, is the most valuable for good consistency and for good shooting form. And take your phone and video yourself and see if you are standing upright, and if your shoulders up, if your shoulders down, and take a moment to analyze your shooting form and improve your shooting form, and then you will be hitting the bullseyes consistently all the time.